Now, this is a giveaway that I'm really excited about. In partnership with the famous Todd Lammle, I'm going to be giving away books. I'm going to be giving away a year's subscription to Todd's website. That one giveaway is worth over $1,000. Now, most of you may have heard of Todd Lammle. He's a famous Cisco author. He's written books on CCNA topics for many, many years. But he's also written books on CCMP and CCIE security topics. He's also well known for creating content such as video courses on Cisco Firepower and presenting live classes on Cisco Firepower. So today I've got a fantastic giveaway. A lot of you have been asking for CCMP security content, and in this giveaway, one person is going to win a prize worth over $1,000 that gives them access to lammle.com, gives them access to a whole bunch of videos, including video courses on CCMP security, including video courses on Cisco Firepower, CCMP Enterprise, and a whole bunch of other topics. So let's get started. So once again, a lot of you may know Todd from his Cybex books. He's been the author of CCNA books with Cybex for many, many years. He's been doing this for a long time. Fantastic author. But he doesn't just write books. He's also created a website, lammle.com, where you can pay a monthly subscription or yearly subscription and get access to a whole bunch of content. From instructors such as Kevin Wallace, who's created a full CCMP Enterprise Encore course. You also get access to content that Todd has created himself. So if you want to learn about Cisco Firepower, he's created that course. Anthony Sequeira has also created CCIE content, and some of my courses are also available on Todd's website. So if you join his website, you'll also get access to my Wireshark packet analysis course, as well as my Python network automation course. Todd has been adding a lot of content to his website, so if you want to learn about a whole bunch of Cisco technologies, as well as other vendors, have a look at his website. But one person will win 1 year's access for free as part of this giveaway to Todd's website. Now, not everyone can win, so Todd's also given me a 30% discount. If you use the coupon code Bombal, you'll get a 30% discount when you subscribe to his website. But as they say on television, but wait, there's more. Todd is also giving away copies of his CCNA Certification Study Guide. 2 people will win access to the Kindle edition of his Volume 2 CCNA Certification Study Guide. Volume 1 covers the basics of networking, so the basics of IP addressing, etc. Volume 2 is the guide that you need to help you prepare for the CCNA exam. So 2 people will win access to an electronic copy of this book, so a Kindle edition, and 6 people will win access to a physical copy of his CCNA Certification Study Guide. Now, Todd has to buy this in his personal capacity. He may be the author, but the publisher is Cybex. So Todd is going to buy these books from Amazon and get them shipped to people. That means that the giveaway of the 6 physical copies is restricted to people in the USA, Canada, Australia, the UK, and Western Europe. Please don't enter for the physical copies of the CCNA book unless you live in one of those locations. But that's why we're giving away electronic copies, so it doesn't matter where you live. You could win one of 2 electronic copies of his CCNA book. Now, you may ask me what's my opinion of Todd's books. I think they're excellent. The CCNA book is very, very good. I found that the CCNA book, written by both Todd and his co-author Donald, covered topics extremely well. It's very different to the official cert guide, which is very much in detail, but can be very dry. Todd and Donald's style is much more conversational, much more practical. So if you want to learn about network automation practically, I'd highly recommend this book. If you want to learn about spanning tree or routing protocols or any of the other topics covered in the CCNA course, I highly recommend that you have a look at Todd and Donald's CCNA book. But as they say, there's more. 6 people will win an electronic copy of the CCIE CCMP Security book. This is for the 300-710 CCMP Security elective. So if you want to learn about Cisco Firepower, you have the opportunity to win one of these books. If you win this, you'll get an electronic copy of this book, 6 people will win this, so anyone can enter. So this is once again a fantastic giveaway. One person will win a prize in excess of $1,000, 1 year's access to Todd's website, where you get access to a whole bunch of video content. Courses don't just cover Cisco, but cover other vendors as well. Fantastic opportunity to win 1 year's access to Todd's website at lammle.com. But again, a whole bunch of people are going to win physical copies and e-copies of Todd's books. Okay, so I really want to thank Todd for sponsoring this giveaway. As I've said, I've got a whole bunch of surprises. This is one of them. My content is available on lammle.com. Massive giveaway from Todd. I'm David Bombal, and I want to wish you all the very best.